Hi, this tutorial is created by pm-prep35.com. This is the third part for chapter 1 introduction in PMBOK. In this tutorial, I'm going to just walk through some of the important points in chapter 1. This will help us attempt the chapter test of pm-prep35.com. So do visit our website to attend this chapter test. So let me start with the first point. These are these are sort of recap of you can call them as recap of chapter 1. So the first point, a guide to the project management body of knowledge, 5th edition, provides guidelines for managing individual projects and defines project management related concepts. So the PMBOK provides management guidelines for different projects, and there is nothing hidden in this, but just wanted to highlight this part. According to PMBOK, the PMBOK guide identifies that subset of project management body of knowledge generally recognized as good practice. It identifies a subset of project management body of knowledge, although there might be a vast area of knowledge available for management and project management as such. It just identifies a subset of the project management of body of knowledge generally recognized as good practice. It is generally recognized as good practice. It's not the best, but then it is recognized as good practice, and it's left to the discretion of the project manager to apply effectively to different projects. The PMBOK guide identifies a subset of project management body of knowledge generally recognized as good practice. The good practice in the statement means the general application of the skills, tools and techniques can enhance the chances of success over a wide range of projects. So it's a wide range of projects. They don't state on all projects, again, because it needs some sort of discretion or intervention by the project manager, understanding by the project manager and applying to the situation. So that's where the project manager's role is really important. These are just guidelines for a project manager to use whenever required. So the good practice in the statement means the general application of the skills, tools and techniques can enhance the chances of success over a wide range of projects. Next one, the PMBOK guide identifies a subset of project management body of knowledge generally recognized as good practice. That is a statement. The generally recognized in the statement means the knowledge and practices described are applicable to most projects most of the time, and there is consensus about their value and usefulness. It is most projects most of the times. It's not here we are not talking about an extreme statement where we say if you apply it on all projects all of the time, you'll get success out of those projects. It's most projects most of the times, and there is consensus about their value and usefulness. So a set of people have decided that when this body of knowledge is applied on most projects most of the times, the project should be successful, and they have agreed upon this. The PMBOK guide identifies a subset of project management body of knowledge generally recognized as good practice. According to the PMBOK, good practice, the statement does not mean the knowledge described in PMBOK should always be applied uniformly to all projects. Again, you have knowledge, you have set of knowledge areas, you have processes, and these are grouped into different process groups. So you don't need to use all these processes. It doesn't mean that 1, 2, 3, 4 I apply all these processes and I can expect success. So in other words, if your project doesn't have procurement and you just want to use procurement somehow or somewhere, then that's not good management technique. So here the good practice, so these are all, when I have procurement need in my project, I would use